Lightning crashes, a new mother cries. Her placenta falls to the floor. The angel opens her eyes. The confusion sets in before the doctor can even close the door. Lightning crashing and old mother dies. Yeah, she dies. All her intentions fall to the floor now. The angel closes her eyes. The confusion that was hers belongs now to some baby down the hall. Oh, now I feel it coming back again, like a roll of thunder chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. Lightning crash, no mother cries. This moment she'd have been waiting for. The angel opens her eyes, and a pair of blue-colored irons presents a circle, pretty glory out to hide, hide away. Oh, now I feel it coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. Oh, I know I can feel it. Can you feel it? Forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. Celebrate your love tonight. Gonna